Hey guys, in today's video we'll look at how we can disable the news feed on Microsoft Edge. Now by default, when we open Microsoft Edge, you'll see that you're getting a news feed. Let me open Microsoft Edge to show what I'm talking about. So we'll open Microsoft Edge here, and by default what you'll get is this. For mine, I've made a tweak. I'll show the tweak that I made so that it opens this, but by default what you get is this, and when you open a new tab you also get this news feed here. Now in order to disable getting this feed, what you'll need to do is go to the settings. So on the top right there's these three dots, click on that and then select settings down here, and then on your left go to where it says start home, new tab right here. And then like I said, mine, when it starts I changed it. By default it will be this one, open the new tab page, which shows the news feed. So I changed mine and added a URL that would open a site that opens, in this case google.com, but by default this is what's going to be selected. That's going to open the one that gives you the news feed. Now in order for us not to get that news feed, what we need to do is scroll down and under new tab page click on customize, and then you get this page settings, and you see here where it says show content, it's on, and show feed is on. If I toggle this to off, you see that the news feed is gone. If I toggle it to on, I get the news feed. So you can turn it off by toggling it to off, and then you can close this. Now if I go here and open a new tab, I'm not getting the news feed. So that's how you disable the news feed. And the other thing you can do, like I said, is to change the default page that opens. You can just come in here and add new page, and then just type in the URL for the page you want to open, click add, and then select this option, open these pages, and that's what's going to be selected for you. And that's what's going to show whenever you open Microsoft Edge. Like in my case, when I open it, instead of getting this page, I'm getting this page. So that's all for this video. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.